The Keekaroo Peanut Changer Baby Vanilla offers a soft, cushioned surface that keeps babies comfortable during diaper changes while still feeling sturdy and supportive. Its seamless, non-porous design resists liquids completely, so messes stay on the surface and can be wiped away in seconds without soaking through. Because the changer does not require separate fabric covers or disposable liners, it simplifies laundry and keeps the changing area looking neat and uncluttered. The durable shell over foam construction stands up well to daily use, resisting cracks, peeling, and sagging that can affect traditional padded mats. The material was originally developed for demanding environments like medical and educational settings, which gives parents extra confidence in its cleanliness and durability. Made in the United States and available in nursery-friendly colors like the soft vanilla shade, it blends easily with different decor styles while feeling like a premium piece of baby gear.